Once upon a time, in a world not so different from ours, mankind relied on a magical substance called crude oil. It was a game changer to be found in almost everything in our daily lives. Toys, lunchboxes, drinking bottles, shampoo, and yes, even in your toothpaste. But my little friends at the time came to realize that we can do better.
Why?
Great question, little hero. You see, crude oil is an amazing resource, but not very kind to our planet. That's why we've embarked on the new adventure, using rather unexpected resources, such as food waste. In the enchanted lands of Waste2Func, we use the magical conversion technologies of Amphistar and W to turn food waste into extraordinary things like biosurfactants for cleaning products and personal care, or lactic acid for plastic packaging material.
No way!
Yes way! Now let me take you on a journey to discover how we did it. Ready? Our adventure begins with preparing a feast for our tiny superheroes called microbes. We take leftover food, cut it into little pieces, and mix it with water. Then, we let the enzymes do their magic. For a pre-conversion quality check to ensure our microbes will love their meal. Guess what? Approved! Our tasty broth is ready for fermentation. We transfer the pre-treated food waste into large fermentation vessels. Now it's time for the real heroes to shine. Microbes.
Are those the superheroes?
Yep. Like the yeast of Amphistar and the bacteria of W, our microbes start eating and multiplying. And then all together start working their magic, producing tons of amazing biochemicals. When the spell is over, the vessel contains our precious biochemicals that we need to filter out before we can move on. So, my little heroes, buckle up now for a new era, from waste to wonders. Time now to hand over the purified biochemicals to powerful wizards that use them to produce sustainable cleaning products like Ecover, or to make toys, lunchboxes, shampoo, drinking bottles, and yes, even toothpaste. The technology is ready. Are we? The end? Oh no, my friends. This is only the beginning.